The Gatlinburg Sportsmens Club welcomes you to the April Handgun Challenge. This challenge consisted of 3 stages of fire. The first stage, shown here, has 2 sections. It starts off with the double targets on either side of the blue barrels. The bottom target is a charging canine. The tactical solution states that you fire at each canine target twice and then engage each handler twice. This portion is followed by a magazine change and a reposition to the blue targets, where the shooter engages each of the 5 hostiles with 2 shots each, no particular order.
The range is hot! Shooter understand the course of fire.
Yeah, as long as I shoot those 2 in the front first in tactical order, I'm good.
Yeah, you just gotta take care of the dogs first. Doesn't matter what you shoot in the back. Ready? Load, mate, ready? Reholster.
Yeah. Getting a satellite signal?
Good one, too.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Mag show clear. Very good. Reholster. Thank you. 1833. 1833. Range is cold.
And who scores?
He is. Okay. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. All right. Boom. Clean on the front.
All A's.
Range is cold.
The Gatlinburg Sportsmens Club Handgun Challenge is designed for fun and entertainment, as well as offering you a place to hone your skills, no matter what your skill level. We encourage shooters from all backgrounds and skill levels to come out and test themselves so that they may learn how to improve in the shooting sports in a supervised and safe environment.
Stand by.
But I was hoping it would come with a little Picatinny underneath on the M-lock. I ordered one.
I saw it.
I have a
In the second stage, the shooter is presented with 8 hostile targets at 15 yards. You will notice the shaded out portion on each hostile target. These are to narrow the target area and are considered hard cover, which means bullet strikes in these areas equals a no hit.
I didn't do a mag change.
That's right. Range is cold.
Range is cold.
Time?
13:55.
Did you do a match change?
Nope.
All right, who's scoring? Paul scoring.
Fire.
Damn.
Sir, yes, sir. Make ready. Shooter ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Come on, get out of there. Some of those felt real bad.
Clear. Show clear. Point it down range. Pull trigger. Holster. Range is cold.
Take extra black.
Good here.
Anybody got
That's
the box
4 seconds.
cream? On the line is bad. Yeah, I didn't see it.
8 seconds.
You calling that one?
No.
You don't like me. I see how it is.
It's more in the black than the
No,
color.
if it's at all, if it's in the end.
Ken?
It's got the back. You know, it takes me a few rounds to get back on track. Glock. I mean, if you're gonna put ghost triggers in your Glock or whatever, and then you shoot one that's all factory.
Range is cold.
Just push down rather than turn that.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Halfway smart. You can get in there. So I gotta keep them all out.
Close cylinder. Reholster. Drop. Oh, okay. Your hammer's missing. Range is cold.
Time 17:12.
17:12. I was looking for the spur on your hammer. It's missing. Yeah. 4.
8.
8.
Nice shoot, man.
9, 10.
8. He's good there. I couldn't see that one. 8. 9, 10. He's good. 11.
That makes sense.
The third and final stage of the handgun challenge was considered by many of the competitors as the hardest stage.
And he didn't get
There were 18 steel targets set up at distances from 15 to 30 yards. Varying in size and shape, the targets consisted of a 6-disc dueling tree, poppers, circles, and many IPSC targets. Some were painted with white shot allowable areas and blue hard cover areas. A shot that lands in the blue hard cover area results in a 4-second penalty. The shooter was required to engage all 18 targets in under 120 seconds. This stage has an unlimited round count.
What the heck is that noise?
my stupid phone. It went nuts. When I get a text message, it takes time sometimes. Ooh, split the difference. That's
Nice.
It's a twofer.
dueling tree's gonna eat him up. It looks like it.
Shadow too. Same as yours. There it is.
Can I go back? Congratulations, you just earned 4 points.
It's Robo Shooter.
You like this? Hey, remember, you can't see my face, so if I do awful, I'm disclaiming that it was not me.
Okay, shooter, understand the course of fire.
Sir, yes, sir.
Shooter load and make ready. Shooter ready?
Shoot ready.
Stand by.
Come on.
2 bottom ones.
Because some of them reloads are a little light.
What's your primer?
That's why I told him. I would have done better because I couldn't. I would have done better. Yeah, taking one shot.
I don't know what the hell that means.
If you watch that video,
I got $3,500 in a loose bullet feeder and everything. And if it breaks, it's panic like it.
You ready?
Electronic is like
Stand by.
It's a 170 millimeter. It's like got 29 rounds, 28 rounds.
I had no problems, you know, but it was just like, oh, that's a new pick, you know. For 1 year, yeah. I've had mine for about 15 years. And when I bought it, I said, man, what am I going to do? What am I
Shot a
gonna
whole
do?
weekend.
This one, Dan.
Bye.
I asked guys to say as soon as they got to exit this down.
Hey, John, where's your son at?
He went to the rescue.
Okay, I'd seen him over here before. I know he was fast with twigs and branches. I didn't get back.
I saw you stop. He's shooting real light. Sometimes it's louder than he doesn't go
Clear. Slide forward. Hammer forward. Line is cold. Shooter ready? Stand by. Clear. No clear. Slide forward. Drop the hammer.
You were afraid you had one stuck in your barrel?
Line is cold.
Are you ready? Stand by. Range is high.
The mag back in the gun and shooting the bullet before the mag hits the ground. Did it 3 times. I could probably dropped it and kicked it.
Dude. That's fast.
That's fast.
I went through my 27 rounds and quit.
I just had an idea.
16,
What happens if I shoot this and I actually hit every one of them?
That'd be cool.
Then you expect me to give your gun back?
Borrow for a little while, but you gotta buy your own. The way I'm allowed to go, I'm almost missing for a few months.
There you go.
Thank you for watching. If you are interested in having a good time and actually getting to use that great handgun you keep stashed away in the safe, come out and visit with us at the Gatlinburg Sportsmen's Club.